What's up guys, we're all here for Tech and we are here in the beautiful island of Boracay, and with us today is Huawei's first ever smartphone with 108 megapixel camera, and that is no other than the new Huawei Nova 9 SE. We're going to check out some of its best camera features, so continue watching to know more. The fun doesn't end with its huge pixel size, as it also does pack features that makes this device an ideal smartphone for people who are into vlogging and taking interesting images, which are to use in the span of this video. Now let's check out its specs. This device does come equipped with an advanced camera lenses, namely a 108 main sensor with an aperture of 1.9, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with an aperture of 2.2, 2 megapixel macro lens with an aperture of 2.4, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with an aperture of 2.4. I took it for a test and here's what I've got. Well, surprisingly, the sensor holds up to its name. It does take detailed images with a good dynamic range, although it looks a little bit too contrasty. The color reproduction is close in reality, and mind you, these photos are taken using the automatic settings of this device. I also did take advantage of the 108 megapixel high resolution feature, and it didn't disappoint. Although it's not a night and day difference between photos taken using the default setting, but there's a lot of noticeable changes in the overall quality. Details are more refined to the point that you have the freedom to frame the images you took in the post. There's also an improvement in the color reproduction space and in balancing the exposure, making the image look much more natural looking. I also loved using the macro mode, as you can get close to the subject with ease. And yes, just like its main camera, it can produce photos with great details. Of course, you will not complete the whole Boracay experience if you didn't go to parties at night. And thankfully, the Huawei 9 SE's camera can keep up in dark environment. One of the features I found very useful is Super Nightscape. What it does is it takes several photos with different exposures and stitches them together, resulting in a much brighter and more colorful image. The Huawei Nova 9 SE is also equipped with a 9-in-1 pixel technology that combines data from blocks of pixels into an ultra-large pixel equivalent to 2.1 micrometer to increase image brightness. This is useful when shooting in dark scenarios. What it does is when shooting in dark scenarios, 9 pixels are combined into 1 pixel to increase the brightness, and a better night shooting effect is obtained. But keep in mind that there are some instances wherein the images captured look a little muddy, which is normal in this tier of smartphone, which can easily be tweaked out on photo editing software. Night portraits are also available, and as the name suggests, it captures decent looking portrait images even in dark scenarios. The blur effect looks natural, edges are softened and refined. Now when it comes to video, the Huawei Nova 9 SE supports 1080p at 30 frames per second. And just like when taking photos, the videos looks good with good color reproduction. One of the features I honestly enjoyed using is the dual video mode, wherein you can take videos from rear camera and the front camera simultaneously, or the main camera and the telephoto lens. Although it can be shaky, so I do recommend you use a gimbal or anything like that for smoother video output. Now to wrap this video up, the Huawei Nova 9 SE is one of the best tools out there to kickstart your vlogging career thanks to its very powerful and advanced video capabilities. Not only that, the camera itself can produce interesting images, making this device the best tool for youth today. And what's cool about it is the price. The Huawei Nova 9 SE is priced at 13,999 pesos. So, what do you guys think about the Huawei Nova 9 SE and its impressive cameras? We want to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.